Okay, so first thing that you're going to do today is put your name on your paper. And I'm going to come around and staple those in. I'm going to use my cardboard as a straight edge. And first I'm going to draw a horizon line, so a line going all the way across horizontally. Then I'm going to draw these boxes here. So to draw my boxes, I'm going to draw a line all the way down. Draw a second one, trying to keep them parallel to each other. I'm going to put my straight edge on the line here, slide it down so I can keep it parallel, so I can keep these boxes totally square. Okay, so I've got my 3 boxes here. Now I'm going to erase what is running through or what I don't need for these boxes. Okay, so the next step I need to do here is I'm putting a vanishing point on this horizon line. And now I'm going to take these 2 corners and I'm going to line them up one at a time with the vanishing point. So I've got my cardboard, my straight edge touching this corner and the vanishing point, and I'm going to draw a line against it. Okay, and do the same thing here. Line up this corner of the box and this one, and the vanishing point, and draw a line connecting them. This one I'm not going to do because it goes through the box, and then we're saying that it's a see-through box, and we're not going to do that. This one I do because it doesn't immediately go through the box, so I'm going to line up my straight edge so it's touching this corner and the vanishing point, and I'm going to draw a line coming back, and I stop when I hit that box. So I'm going to move on to the middle box, pull this line, got them lined up, back. Same thing over here. I'm going to line up this one and the vanishing point. Okay, I'm going to move my paper just a little bit to make sure you can see. So now I'm going to take these 2, line them up one at a time. So I've got my pencil on the corner. I'm going to come back to the vanishing point. This one. And now I'm not going to do this one because it would immediately go through the box. Okay, but I will do this one. And let me back up to this one. We don't do these 2 because they immediately go through the box as well. So now if you look over here, we need to put bottoms on these boxes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put my straight edge on this line first, and I'm going to pull that back. I'm deciding how deep I want that to be. So I'm going to get a parallel line to this right here. I'm putting my straight edge on there, push it out, and you get to decide on the first mark how deep you want it to be. So now to make the second part of the bottom, I'm going to put my straight edge on this line, and then I'm going to slide it to this point here. So I'm sliding it, keeping it parallel, and I'm going across like that. So now I have these 2 are parallel to each other, and these 2 are parallel. So I've got the top and then the bottom. So I'm going to erase what is coming out, what we don't need. Okay, now I need a bottom for this one. So I'm going to slide this out. I'm going to make this one a deeper box. I'm going to erase that horizon line and these. So see how the top line is here. That's the top of the box. The bottom has to be parallel to it, and it is. So now I'm going to do this third one. Put my straight edge on that line. I'm going to slide it, keeping it parallel. I decided it's going to be that deep, so the same thing here. Slide that back to this point. And there you go. I'm going to erase these extra lines.